Hi guys, and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. Today you find us at Cheshire Oaks Outlet Village. One of the main reasons we went to Chester Oaks Caravan and Motorhome Club site, because this place is just across the road. One of the first things we noticed at Cheshire Oaks Outlet Village was how wheelchair friendly it was. And the second thing, I noticed was donuts. But I think most people go through the shops, and this place has got every brand under the sun. So if you're into your brand names and you like that sort of thing, this place is for you. And if you like donuts, it's definitely for you. It had some amazing places around here, like this one. That wasn't the only one. There was loads of food places to eat as well. No doubt we'll see them on the walk around. I was surprised how busy it was, because this was just a standard weekday. It wasn't a weekend. It wasn't a school holiday, but it was extremely busy, so maybe sort of the lead up to Christmas, a lot of people are starting to come here. That is one of the reasons we have. Also, you'll notice there are signposts everywhere, and there's free Wi-Fi. And every area where it went up steps, there was a ramp beside it. Made it very easy. Coral absolutely loved the place. There also was plenty of bins for rubbish and plenty of seating all the way around. So for us old folk, if we got a bit tired, we could sit down. And of course, there was Yankee candles, which are one of Coral's favourites. We're going to have a walk around first, and then off camera we're going to start doing the Christmas shopping, which I think my credit card is going to get a bit of a hammering. As I said earlier about donut shops, there's another one. And as you would notice, it looks like it's an old Airstream. Or new Airstream actually, it could be, I don't know. So there you go, Krispy Kreme. They did sell other stuff, it wasn't just donuts in this shopping centre. Like I say, again, signposts everywhere, disabled toilets, telling you what parking area, which we had totally forgotten where we parked, but we knew the shops around there, so the whole place is just a big circle. So you just walk around, so you recognise the shops again, and that's where you started. Now these little buggies looked amazing, but Coral wouldn't let me have a go on one. Walking around here, I think nearly every brand name there is must be in this outlet village. More food. And carousel. Now if that's there all the time, I don't know. I was a bit surprised to see that, but there is a carousel. You see steps going down there, so just come to the side, and again you have a ramp. Well thought out. In front of us, don't know if you can see that, but slim chickens. Not my favourite, I prefer a big plump fat one, but there you go. Don't actually know what slim chickens is. I presume it's some sort of like a KFC or something like that. There you go. Prices don't seem to be too bad, especially for where we are. You're not going to go hungry at this place. Again, signs up there telling you there's free Wi-Fi. I suppose that's a must this day and age. Not often do you see it. One of my daughter's favourite shops. I'm so glad she's not with us. I'm starting to think maybe it was a bad idea to come here for Christmas shopping. We'll see. Oh, one I actually recognise. Vietnamese street food. Interesting. Five Guys. Now I've heard of Five Guys, don't actually know what they do. And it looks like it's a milkshake shop. Very American style. Never been in one. Look good though. More clothes shops. Vans, another one of Lauren's favourites. Oh, here we go, and one of Coral's favourites, a jewellery shop. We'll be stopping here, so this might be the end of this video. There is a lot more here. There's anything you can think of is going to be in this place. So if you're in the area, definitely worth a look. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.